for the section view. Yeah. Okay, we continue with the chapter 10, conventional practice in section view. Yeah. In the beginning, in the previously chapter, okay, we have section view. Okay, this is continues with the conventional practice, like is the same chapter 8, conventional practice. Yeah, to make your drawing is more simple. Okay, this is the topics. Yeah. Okay, the case is slightly similar with the chapter 8. Yeah, section view represent of the rib, web, spoke, lap. Yeah, that is similar like previously chapters. Yeah, a line section, conventional break. Yeah, and we go the first section view represent of the rib, web, spoke, and lap. Okay, the concept is similar with the first. Yeah, with the chapter 8. There is terminology. Yeah, rib and web is the thin, are thin, flat features of an object that act as a structural support. That one, there is a rib. Okay, that one is the rib. Yeah, that one also on the rib. Okay, in the okay, this one, yeah, rib. Also this one, rib. Also this one, rib. Yeah. Oh, this one is the web. Sorry, that is the web. Okay. The spoke, yeah, is the rod radiating from the half to the rim of the wheel. Yeah, that we call the spoke. Yeah, there is the half, there is a spoke. Yeah, this one the spoke. Okay, and you have the rim. That is spoke, that is the half, that is the rim. Yeah, now is more clear. Yeah, somehow in you have in your tire, you call the rim. Okay, the rim actually only the outside. That is the spoke, and the center there is the hub. Yeah, and the lug is the an ear which is built as portion of an object for attachment. Yeah, that one. Then we call the lug. Yeah, then we call the lug. Omit the section line. Yeah, on the section view from the rib, web, lug. If the cutting plane is the pass flat wise through. Yeah, spoke. If the cutting plane is the pass longwise through. That one. That is the normal view. That is normal view drawing. Yeah. Then if you have the cutting plane with the direction, you need to remember this is a cutting plane. That is the normal section. You have the web on that one. Then you need to remove. Yeah, you need to remove. If you give the arch, the model is the fuel rotating. The fuel is changed. It's not like there is no rib. Yeah? If you full arch, meaning there is no rib. Yeah, actually in your model there is a rib. Okay, then we go to web flatwise cut. Okay, you have that one, and you have the that drawing. Then you have that cut. You have the cutting plane on the center. If you the arch, the view is changed. Yeah, the thickness of that one is very thick. Yeah. Then you need to remove the arch from the web section. Yeah. You need to remove from the web section. So the manufacturer will understand there is a web. Yeah. It's not the full. Otherwise, everything will be changed. Yeah. Crosswise cut. You say you have the ones, you have cut that one on the center. Then what you have is that one. Yeah, that one is okay. That is clear. We call multiple section. You have cut from that direction. You have that. Okay, you can cut from the center. Yeah, you have that one. So there is no limitation of the sectioning of the parts. Yeah, as long as the drawing is more clear, you can use as many as possible. You need to remember you have the limitation of the space of the drawing. Yeah, if there is too many drawing, then it's become too messy. It's not good for quality of your drawing too. Okay, we move to the spoke. Yeah, we have the spoke here. Okay, uh, you can cut. Okay, then misleading impression. Yeah, in that case, yeah, the model, yeah, the part is in the center. Yeah, in the center here will full. If you have this model, that drawing, yeah, that is misleading impression, misleading information. So your manufacturer will be fabricate there is no spoke. Yeah, there is a flat on the deck. Then you can remove on that one. Then the information is more clear. Okay, then we go to the lab. You have two cuts. You have two cuts. The first is uh, uh, the blue one. Another one is the red one. That is the typically the same. That is no need to you to give the arch here. Yeah, no need for you to give the arch. Okay, a line section. Yeah, a line section. A line section is a section view that draw imaginary rotating. The object features appear in the principal view about the symmetry axis. The keyword also, yeah, the same like chapter 8, symmetry axis. Without symmetry, you can't do that. Okay, like chapter 8, yeah, is the same. You have the card, okay, that is like you have that one. Give impression the whole is unsymmetry position. Yeah. Then you can move on that one. That is similar with the chapter 8. Okay. This is the impression just have once, but you need to remove also. Yeah. That is the same. You cut a quarter, you cut the full, yeah, that is different. That is the same. Same in the ribs. If you cut, then the view is like this. Yeah. Same like chapter 8, exactly the same. Yeah. But the difference is the arch. Yeah. The hedge. Rib and holes. Yeah. That is combination. Yeah. Yeah. That is the difference is the rib is you not give to the arch. Yeah. And the hole the same like previously. Yeah. That we can see the similar symmetry. Okay. Spoke and the keyway. Yeah. Same. You see, there is a keyway here. Yeah. And this is the spoke. Yeah. There is no hatch. Lug. Okay. You can cut, but the lug is not give the hatch. Yeah. That is the same. Conventional brake. For the long object that have to draw in the small scale to the fit them on the paper, it is recommended, yeah, to remove its long portion which contain important information, and draw the break line at the broken end. Yeah, example, you have the scale to break on that one. Then scale it changed, it's become 2 by 2. Yeah. However, yeah, the the model is become is more shorter. Yeah. It's no need to draw for all that long. The space is not enough. Okay, that's why the model is become that. Okay, there is a standard the break line. Yeah, there is a wood, there is a metal, cylinder cross section, tubular cross section. You need to memorize, yeah, for the tubular. Yeah, there is a code here to see there is a tubular, there is hole. Yeah, this is cylinder. Okay, there is a metal and there is a wood. Okay, to draw cylindrical brake, yeah, this is the method. If you want to, yeah, going to manual one side by side, yeah. Okay, have that one. Okay, that one is the cylindrical brake. Okay, to dimension a broken part, yeah, that actually 800. Let's say that is 16 diameter, typically dimensioning method, that one. So with that one, you can have this one. And you give the exactly dimension. No need for you to give the scale. Okay, any question? I think this one just repeat with the chapter 8. Yeah. Any question?
So far, no, sir.
Okay, if not, we have to uh, end of our